In this video, I am attempting to use my old workbench as the drill table for my Wabeco drill stand. So I'm using a piece of floorboard to hold the Wabeco drill table, and I will be drilling 4 holes and then bolt it down. This is just the one end of my old workbench. I have everything that I need drilling secure in place. I will be using the drill stand itself to drill the 4 holes. Since it can spin around 336 degrees by losing this locking bolt there. Okay, so I'll setting up the drill stand next. So that is the drill stand there. The model that I have, the vertical axis is only half a meter, so that's a 500 mil. And I have also replaced the standard handle with a 3 handle spoke wheel. This is what I meant by it can be spin around in a 336 degree angle, and also it can be moving in and out as well. So by locking this nut there, it can't be moved anymore. Well, it needs to be secured a little bit. Yeah, we need to use this Allen key to actually lock it. This can't be moved anymore. I'll be using the A-mill Kanger multi-purpose drill bit. It has a carbide tip. Since I will be drilling through a thin galvanized plate down at the bottom. Now we always need to check for the squareness of the drill bit, since the hand drill is going to this 43 mil collet, and it can actually out of square. It depending on how we place the drill as well. If it tip a little bit, then obviously it's not square to the surface of the drill piece. Yeah, I don't actually have a proper machine square, so I will be using this steel plate. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. Now, so I will retract this one a little, and I'll be drilling this first hole there. Okay, so I think it's coming in pretty good. So I'm going to lock the locking nut now. Yeah, that is the first hole. I have put the nut and bolt into the first hole and tightened it. And I'm going to move to the hole at the back on the other side. So that's why I can secure it again. Yep, so that's the second hole. It needs to go down more than 11 centimeter, I think. I have tightened out the second hole, and now I'm going to drill the third one. I'm now going to drill the last hole, which will have to go through a galvanized plate at the very bottom of the timber. I did struggle a little, but I managed to get it through off camera. It turned out that I didn't have the speed of the drill set to the correct one. I set it to medium speed and yeah, it get through okay. So that's the final hole there. I'm not really sure what is the final setup for this just yet, so this is just my first attempt at setting it up using all the material that I have. Later on I may change this completely, but right now I think this will do me. I'm using this space here to hold all the workbench and etc. and see how it turns out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video informative and something helpful if you ever going to get one of these. Thank you for watching.